Good morning, my daughter.
Mother.
Peace be with you, mother.
Come, sit and have some tea. Soraya's home.
صبح بخير خديجة. صبح بخير سوريا.
Let me help you with that, Gulshan. It's too heavy.
Oh no, Soraya, I am fine, truly.
Nonsense. Let me carry it for you. Your back will thank you.
The tea is ready, Maman.
Come, sit with us.
Thank you, my loves.
Set it down here. Careful, mother. Good. Now the flour. I am getting it. Not too wet, like last week when it was sticky.
It's coming together, grandmother.
That's it. Perfect. The cardamom is nearly done, Soraya. Just a bit more kneading. It's looking perfect, my dear. Salam, Zahrajan. Befarmaid. Come in for tea. Khayish mikonam. No, thank you. No, please come in. All right, but just for a moment. The wind was so strong last night, it damaged some of the blossoms.
Oh no, how unfortunate.
Would you like a sugar cube, ma'am? Bless you, little one. Father, I brought the scraps.
Thank you, my daughter. The animals are hungry. Shirin, come here, gentle now.
He's trying to eat my scarf.
Ali, put the stool here. Hold her head like this, gentle. Don't do it like that. Put a support beam on that side.
Yes, Baba.
That twine won't hold it, boy. It needs a nail.
Yes, Baba.
The western meadow looks sparse this year.
Maybe the northern hills?
The northern grazing is good right now.
Take this. My mother wants you to have it.
The dough has risen beautifully. That's wonderful news.
Ali, you are carrying that pail so well.
Thank you, grandmother. It's ready, Betty. Yes, mother. Perfect heat, Zahra. Come, join us. Thank you, Soraya's mother. I'd be honored. You see? Flatten the dough just like this. Too thick on the left edge. Now watch how it sticks to the wall. Good, like that. It's sticking. Looks perfect. Here is the first piece, Baba. This is perfect. Soraya, please take these two to Gulshan Khanum. Gulshan Khanum, come in, dear. Aunt Mahin, good morning. Good morning, Soraya. Come join us. You see the serrated leaves? Cut here, not too high. Okay, I've got it. Soraya, over here. Wild tarragon, look. Gulshan, thank you for this. It's so fragrant. You're welcome. Simin, I found it. The wild oregano. Oh, Soraya, thank you. This is just like my mother used to find. Tell us the story, Simin. So I said, if you want honey, you have to find a bee that's wearing a veil. That's too much.
Oh, you've done it again, Zivar.
He believed it too.
La la la, la la la. Hello, good man. Khoda Hafez, Khoda Hafez, Khoda Hafez.
The herbs are very good this year.
Yes, Mother, they are so fresh.
Shoo, chicken, shoo. Get out of here. Don't forget the noodle timing. Yes, grandmother. It will be soon. Look at the little one. Here is a taste. The noodles need to be just so. Smells ready, doesn't it? Nearly there, my love. Just a little longer. You shouldn't have troubled yourself, Gulshan. It's nothing, please accept. Thank you, Gulshan. This looks wonderful. Would you like some tea? The ash is ready, my dears.
Thank you, mother.
Be careful, Mariam, it's hot. This is delicious. Good afternoon, neighbors. I've brought my loom. Welcome, Soraya. There's a cushion here. Come, Hassan, let's play with the ball. Try twisting it like this, it's faster. Oh, I see, thank you. Tea is ready, my dears. Thank you so much, mother.
My baby has a fever, please help.
Zivar, feel the baby, get water, quickly. Soraya, sit with her, we'll make a compress. Here's honey syrup, he'll be all right.
My baby has a fever, please help.
Zivar, feel the baby, get water, quickly. Soraya, sit with her, we'll make a compress. Here's honey syrup, he'll be all right. Salam, Papa. I've brought lunch.
Ah, my girl. Just in time. Thank you. We need to harvest before the rains come. It's a tight window. Perhaps we can borrow Hossein's threshing machine. We can't do it all.
The qanat feeds this field through here, Soraya.
Oh, Father, it's beautiful. So cold and clear. Keep an eye on it, Mohsen.
Yes, Soraya. The irrigation is set. The water will run.
It is time.
It is time.
روز بخير. روز بخير.
The second row is ready. Soraya, start there.
Layla, keep singing. It makes the grapes sweet. Ali.
Oh, darling, what happened? Let me see.
It's just a scrape, my dear. Don't worry.
Here, look at this. Does this make you laugh?
Thank you both so much.
The grapes are heavy this year.
Yes, but worth it. The village will be happy. Want a grape?
Thank you. These are sweet.
And the baskets were so full, we had to carry them on our heads. I didn't think I could manage it.
Yes, I remember. The harvest was so heavy that year.
Exactly.
Come on, Zahara. You're next. Hello, my friends. Gently, little one.
Patience.
Patience, my girl. Almost done. Good job, Baba.
The cloth is ready now. Carefully, the milk is warm.
I have the salt, Mother.
Stir gently, Mother knows best.
I swear, this goat knows when I'm in a hurry. Here, I'll hold him. A bit of clover should do the trick.
There, that should hold it.
Yeah.
Yes, that cheese will be perfect by morning. Good night, Father. The scent of these plums brings back memories. Only the best lamb for the stew tonight. Ali, would you like some potato to snack on?
Yes, please.
Welcome, Zahra. How kind of you to bring this. Thank you for having me. I brought some torshi, just in time for dinner. Soraya, check the rice, please. Yes, mother, it's almost...
It's ready. Wow. Wow. So good. Thank you, my daughters, for your hard work. You are welcome, Mother. Always, Mother.
Be careful, Ali.
Oh, almost dropped it. He caught it.
Good job, Habibi.
I'll be extra careful with this one. Here's your doll, Mariam. Sleep tight, my little one.
Mommy, my dolly.
You worked hard tonight. Yes, but it is peaceful now. I always loved these evenings.
They are the best.
So peaceful. Then the bear came down from the mountain.
I've heard this before.
And a clever goat. The village held its breath. The bear, it was bigger than the trees. And then, silence. The bear wasn't a bear at all. It was just a fluffy golden retriever. Everyone laughed. And the night descended upon the valley, bringing peace to all. Rest now, my dears, rest. The goats are sleeping.
Looks like they're all here.
And the fence is strong. Good.
Let's rest.
Gorbe, it's just you. 1, 2, 3. Good, you're all here. The clay is full tonight. If we leave this gate open, the wheat field will flood by dawn. Understood? Bibi, it's Soraya with the naan. Ah, my dear, thank you. No need, it's just neighbors.
Do you need anything for morning tea?
No, we are fine, thank you. You shouldn't have.
Please, take these. The fire is still hot.
You are too kind.
Good morning, Soraya. Did you hear from Layla? She said the weaving is almost done.
That's wonderful news.
Are the flocks going higher today?
You're just in time. The coals are ready.
Here's the cheese and naan, Mama.
Good morning, everyone. I saw a new neighbor on the East End today.
That's wonderful, my dear.
It's a shame the Naji's boy doesn't visit his... The herbs are ready, Layla. Perfect. This spot gets the best sun. Sort the dill over here, next to the mint. Oregano and tarragon, they dry better this way.
Ah, I see. Oh.
We'll have a good harvest this year. Do you have any extra mint to share? Here. Thanks. Come for tea later. Yes, thank you, I will. You're so soft, Soraya. Everything has its place. Ah, the mother's done it again. They look beautiful, and they'll last all winter.
The leather is snapped here. We need a new strap.
Okay, here's the awl and the new leather.
Perfect. Watch how I pierce the hole here. You try. It fits perfectly.
Would you like some water?
Ah, just what we needed.
This spot needs 2 nails for maximum strength. See how the wood grain runs?
Yes, Father, I understand.
Good. Now hold it tight while I strike this one.
You know, for leather like that, walnut oil is much better. Try it.
Merci, that's a good idea, Karim. I'll use it.
Stronger than ever.
Let's put it away. Good boy. Here's your treat.
The stream is just ahead. Oh, good. It's lovely to see everyone. Yes, a perfect day for it.
Soraya, Layla, welcome. The wedding is next month. Can you believe it?
She is expected in the fall.
Remember that roof needs patching.
Thank you, Soraya. No need, Golshan. He used to help with this. Always. I know, I remember. Keep searching, Ali.
Look, I found one.
Be careful, children. Turn the fleece here, it needs more sun. Look, our threads are tangled. Oh, they are. Just like us, huh? Yes, just like us. Be careful with it, Soraya. I know, Mother. It's the family's blood. Look, deep red, no yellow. Like this?
Yes, high quality.
Try one, Soraya.
It's difficult.
Patience, you'll see.
We must sell enough for Ali's books, a new coop, and the medicine.
I understand, Mother.
May I have a new scarf?
Perhaps.
The saffron buyer will arrive from the city next week. Prepare yourselves.
We understand. We are ready.
You won't believe what the goat did today.
No, tell us.
He ate the washing off the line. Time for bed, little one. Such good girls. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
The donkey knew silence could be wiser, so he kept his peace.
He's right. Yes, Grandmother, he is.